Hello all, welcome to Sivan's SAP SD training. So in this recording, I'm going to discuss about the revenue account determination, VKOA transaction. So the revenue account determination is the SD and FI integration part. So we will discuss this entire settings. So what are the prerequisites from SD side and FI side, and how to complete the process, complete the revenue account determination in the system. So this entire session will help you out how to explain about the revenue account determination. It will give you the complete information. So you can explore this in front of the interviewers in real time also. So the step-by-step process, slide by slide, first I'm going to explain, then followed by the system. I'll show you the complete system configuration, where exactly we need to make the changes, and that will affect the configuration, and that will provide us the results. So revenue account determination. So it is all about when we save the billing document, the values of sales revenues, sales deductions, tax revenues, and also freight revenues are posted to respective GL accounts. So these GL accounts are created by FICO consultants because it is SD and FI integration part. However, this is possible because in the pricing procedure, whether it is a standard pricing procedure or the customized pricing procedure, for each and every condition type is assigned to one account key. And each account key in turn is assigned to one GL account. So this is the SD and FI integration during the pricing procedure determination. We might have seen already. So this is the integration part of SD and FI. See, this is how the prices PR00, so the standard pricing condition type, the account key is ERL that is associated with the sales revenues. So that will have its own account, GL account. So that will be posted to that particular GL account in the system. KF00, freight revenues, ERF is the account key. K004, K005, and K007 are the discount condition types like customer discount, material discount, and customer material discount. So where the account key is ERS, so that will be posted to the sales deductions account, GL account. And the MWST is the tax revenues. So where the output taxes will be collected from the customer. So we are all seeing nowadays. So MW is the account key where it is associated with the tax revenues GL account. So that account, whatever is revenue comes based on that revenues, that will be posted to the tax revenues GL account. So this is the actual procedure where each and every billing document, when it is created, so whatever the values, whatever the condition types which we have used, which is copied from sales order to the billing document, so the respective condition type will have respective account key, and then that will be posted to the respective GL accounts. So this is all about the revenue account determination, how it determines. And when we save the billing document, the system finds the respective GL account through the account key, and it is automatically converts billing document into open status. Once the account determination is done, then the system will automatically convert the billing document from open status to completed status. So when the billing document F2 is generated and financial accounting 1, RV billing transfer document will be generated. So that is, which is 100% similar, that is replica of the standard document F2. So we will see that one also. So how the revenue account will be determined. So you have to explain to your interviews whenever you are attending. So it is the combination of application condition type. KOFI is the standard condition type, and KOFK is for controlling. Chart of accounts. So based on the countries, we will be using the International Chamber of Commerce, INT, INT International Chart of Accounts, or any of the respective chart of accounts which you use it. So that can be proposed here. Sales organization, we all know that. And then followed by the SD perspective, account assignment group of customer master. This field value must be having some value in the customer master data, sales area data screen of the billing documents, account assignment group of customer master data. Whether it is a 01 or 02, whatever may be the value, If that is blank, then the system will not determine the revenue account determination. Then account assignment group of material master data. This also the same way. In the sales organization data to view, we maintain that value. Account key is respective account key like ERL, ERS, ERF, MWS. So based on the account key and its functionality, the GL account will be determined into the system. This is the revenue account determination you have to explain to your interviewers. This is the FI settings. So we have to define the fiscal year variant. We have to assign the fiscal year variant to our company code. We all know that fiscal year variants like calendar year and year dependent. So like calendar year means Jan to December, year dependent means April to March. So based on the company's business process and the financial related activities, so we have to define and assign them. This is the control, and this is done by FSCO consultants in real time. So we will be assigning that fiscal year variant to that company code, so that entire company code will have the same variant. That means if it is VK4, that is calendar year, and if it is V3, that is year dependent, April to March. Define and assign chart of accounts to company code. So in the transaction code OB62, we will see that one also. And define RV billing transfer document and assign it to the company code OB7. So the way we do it in our VOFA transaction, that is billing document functionalities, the same way RV billing document also will be associated with our VOFA, so that it will replicate whatever the values are there from SD to FI, so that on accounting document like our invoice document, on accounting document also will be generated there. SD settings. So as I already discussed, in customer master data, maintain the value for account assignment group in sales area, billing tab, accounting, and maintain reconciliation account in company code view also. That should not be blank. So in material master data, maintain the value for account assignment group in sales organization data to view, so that it will accept that particular value whenever the revenue account determination takes place. So revenue account determination also works based on the condition technique concept like pricing procedure. So we all know that condition technique is a combination of condition tables, access sequences, and condition types plus the respective procedure. The condition technique means finding the better alternative among the available number of alternatives. So this is what we have learned in our pricing also. So now we will see in the system how the revenue account determination and what are all the SD settings and what are all the FI settings. So as a functional consultant, we must know the SD settings as well as FI settings also. It is an SD and FI integration part. So first, let us go to the SD settings, SPRO. So all the determination, majority of the determination procedures we have seen in sales and distribution, basic functions. So basic functions, account assignment and costing here. So here we have to select the option revenue account determination. Here you can see first the master data relevant for account assignment, define dependencies of revenue account determination, and where we have to define access sequences and account determination types, also like our pricing PR00 and pricing access sequence PR02. The similar way we have to define our access sequence as well as the condition type, and then define and assign account determination procedures. So where we have to place those accounting condition types, whatever we have created, like KOFI and KOFK. Then followed by the, so this is the FI setting, define and assign account keys and assign GL account. So one by one I'll show. First, let us go to the check master data relevant for account assignment. Here you can see what are all the entries which are available in the materials account assignment group of material master. So 01 trading goods, 02 services and finished products. So what kind of account group it is? We are telling the system that this is a trading goods. So we are doing the exchange of goods at a profit. So 01 trading goods, that one we will be selecting in the material master data. And customer assignment, account assignment group of customer master. So domestic, whether it is a domestic revenues or foreign revenues or affiliated company revenues. So which one we have to choose? So accordingly, we will be choosing as per the business processes. So domestic revenues we will select. So now here, from here it starts the complete condition technique concept. See, this is how the accounted determination tables. So what are all the tables which are available? Just let us see the available tables in the system. See, right now, the combination whichever is required for us, that is right now available. So customer group, account assignment group of customer master, material master, and account key combination, customer account group and account key combination, material account group and account group combination, account key combination, general and account key. So already the existing tables are there. This one we are going to use it. Okay, then just go back. Here you can see the define access sequences and account determination types. So first we see the define account determination types. So we have a KOFI account determination. KOFK is account determination with controlling. That is controlling part, they will take care of it. Especially when it comes to the question of MTOs and any WBS related work activities, PPQM activities. So that time KOFK will come into the picture, accounting determination with controlling. So the access sequence is KOFI as it is there. So if you go to the access sequence of this KOFK or KOFI, you can see what are all the tables which are available, which we have seen in the initial step, that is like defined condition tables. See, here it is. This combination is already available: customer group, material group, account key, customer group, account key combination. So based on that one, it is available. And here we don't see the exclusive indicator like the pricing procedure access sequence. So it is not relevant for us, the exclusive indicator. So only this key combination, we are using it in the system. So now we will be going back to the account determination procedure. So what is the standard account determination procedure? Here we will see KOFI 00, where two condition types, account condition types are there, KOFI and KOFK. These two condition types are already associated with this procedure. And this procedure must be assigned to the billing document, that is F2. So we can see here, if you go to the position and see F2 document, we can find it out the invoice document is F2 and the account determination procedure is KOFI 00. If in real time, so your client ask you to change it to ZOFI, then accordingly we have to define them in the system and then we have to assign it to the respective function. So then only it will work. It is same to all the condition types. It is not the one only for the condition type. Also we can copy and customize it, and the same time procedure also, like pricing procedure, the same way. So here, define and assign account keys. So if I click on this one, define account key is nothing but whatever the account keys you wanted to create. That means FI consultant wants to create, that can be created using this transaction code. Here you can see ERS, ERL, ERF will be there. Freight revenues, sales deductions, rebate approvals, and all those stuff will be already defined in the system, predefined ones. So if anything new they wanted to have as an account key, then they can create and then they can assign it to the respective condition type. So here it is, the pricing procedure and the respective condition types are available. So my pricing procedure is, so in this pricing procedure, already there are multiple pricing condition types are there, and each and every condition type is in turn associated with one account key. So in real time, this will be defined and assigned by the FSCO consultant sometime, and sometimes they will give us this account key, and then we will have to assign it to our condition types, respective condition types. So the system will identify the GL account based on the account key which is available in the system, which is associated with the condition type, whether it is a pricing condition type or the any of the other condition types also. So assign GL accounts. Here we are going to maintain the revenue account determination records like VKOA transaction, SD settings. So just let me click on this. If you go there, so this is the combination. So account assignment group of customer master, account assignment group of material master, and account key. So if I click on this, you can see here. So these are the standard ones, whatever the available GL accounts are there with respect to account key. It is in the demo system for demo practice system. So if I go to the determination step-by-step process, here you can see application B, KOFI, INT is my chart of accounts, sales organization HM01. You can see here, I have maintained this particular key combination to determine the revenue account determination, and that will be posted to this respective GL account. So account assignment group of customer master is 01 and account assignment group of material master is also 01. So these two also we will have to cross check whether these two are maintained or not. So my customer is XT02, I will go. So this is the customer. So in the company code data where we can see the reconciliation account, this should be maintained. Otherwise it will not determine then. And followed by the sales area data, billing documents. So here the account assignment group of customer master under the accounting tab 01 I have selected, that is domestic revenues. At the same time, I'll go to the material master data also. So I can directly go to the one which is required. So here you can see the account assignment group of material master. If any one of them is blank, then the system will throw error that revenue account determination error. So let us, I have maintained these two settings, and then followed by we have to check what are all the condition records we have maintained. And see, define fiscal year variant OB29. I'll just for the better understanding, we can see the fiscal year variant K4, which is a calendar year, and then Jan to December. So 12 number of posting periods and number of special periods are 4. If it is V3, it is April to March. You can see here April to March calendar. It is not a calendar year, it is V3. So once it is done, then we will have to see the assign fiscal year variant to the company code OB37. So OB37, so what is my company code is HM01, and I have assigned the fiscal year variant as K4, so which is a calendar year Jan to December. Then chart of accounts OB62. So these settings are FICO settings, not by us. So they will provide us, and we have to cross check whether the values are there or not while doing the testing. See the international chart of accounts, which is already there. And billing transfer, just like we will see that one. So RV document, we can just see what are the fields are available. RV, like our sales document type and delivery document type, billing document type. So number range, it is starting with 14. So this is the only one, there is no internal or external, only one number range which is available. Account types are allowed, assets, customer and GL accounts, and followed by negative postings, yes, permitted. The rest of the fields, they have not checked anything. So based on this one, it will be replicated to the FICO. So financial side, whatever the F2 document is there, the same thing will be replicated to the FICO. That also we will see. So these are all the FI settings. Now, let us start creating the sales order, delivery and billing document, and we will see whether the revenue account will be determined or not and accounting entries are generated or not in the system. So this is my sales order, document type is the customer, And this is the material which I'm taking 5 units. Here you can see the prices 30,000 rupees. I have maintained pricing condition record for 6,000 rupees, so that 5 into 6 units 30,000 rupees. So this is the condition amount and this is the condition value. And we can see even the VPRS cost condition type as well as the profit margin also. Then followed by, I'm just checking the incompletion log. Document is complete and click on save button. So we have successfully created the sales order. So go to display mode of sales order. From here, we can go to the creation of delivery document. Okay, no schedule lines are due up to this one. So just increase the date. Okay, 13, we will put it as 13. So that can be seen in the schedule line category and when it is confirmed. So that one we can see. Picking request, picked quantity, I'm just picking 5 units. It is fully picked. And now I'm just clicking on the post goods issue. The delivery document also got created. Now let me go to the BF01. It will automatically proposed. So just see and save it. So no accounting document got generated because some of the entries might have missed out in the system in the accounting generation. So let us go to the display mode and then go back. In the system, environment, account determination analysis, revenue accounts. Determine from the account determination error, type KOFI. See, chart of accounts, INT, everything is maintained. Account key, chart of accounts, account assignment group of customer master and material master, and account key. All are maintained. But however, it has not determined. So let us see what are the other things we have missed out. So first combination, it is available. Let us try the second combination, whether it is there or not, we will see. So this combination also we have maintained. Very good. And material customer account assignment group of material group. So this key combination also I have maintained. General. So with this one also we will see. I don't think so. Yes, it is not there. Let us try to say. Let us try to create the one which is not there. KOFI. My sales organization is HM01. Save it. Just come back. One more thing is there. Account key. Here also let us check whether it is there or not. So it is not there. Just select. So select this one and then click on copy as icon. Yes, save it. Now let us go to the billing document again. BF02 and try to release it to the accounting. Chart of accounts INT is not defined. So we will have to go to OB13 again. It is giving some error. Sometimes it gives financial accounting error, some settings they have made it as a mandatory thing. So that is why it is coming up. And again, I'll go to VF02 transaction. Select and click on release to accounting. See, now accounting document got generated. Here you can see the accounting entries. The system has created the accounting document. You can see this is the one, RV document 48007. So this is the replica. Once this is the customer account is now showing plus, and revenue account, this is business account, is showing minus. Once it is received from the customer, it will be reversed. The customer account will become debit and revenue account will become credit. So this is the complete picture. So this is the RV billing document transfer. This will be transferred to the accounting. So when it is created, which transaction code we are doing it, we are into everything, it will show you in the system. So this is the complete information about the revenue account determination, how the system will determine the revenue account based on the factors like application, condition type, chart of accounts, sales organization, account assignment group of customer master, and account assignment group of material master, along with the account key. If any one of them is missing out, then the system will throw an error. You have to cross check whether these entries are already there or not. So please remember SD settings as well as FI settings also. Both the settings we must know since it is an SD and FI integration part. Thank you all. Please reach out to us for any training online inquiries. Thank you.